Say, song of the day. I picked everyone's favourite song here at SAFM because it's just me doing a little sign off for the end of the year, saying I love everybody. And is it Thrift Shop? Oh no, that's what I should have picked. That's so stupid. Oh well, can't win them all. Oh, you did.
I'm getting a bit fat. I've got cinnamon in my pocket and some butter sitting in the gutter, eating a block of cheese. Yeah, walked into the shop like what up, fruit and nut chock, filling up my pockets with everything that they stock. The ice creams are calling me, so damn frosty. The owner's like,
damn man, you getting a bit podgy.
nah, I'm all good, I even walk from my house. Exercise every day, getting up off my couch. It's like the Olympics, I jump into the fridge. I'm so excited to see what's waiting in fizz. Oh yeah, cover myself in soft drinks. Icky sticky. My weight, I'm watching it, stopping it. In control, always on top of it. I just like eating chips and gravy, could sit in a tub of it. There's only one problem, yeah, that I can't even see. The fact that I'm staring straight down but can't even see my feet. I'm getting a bit fat. I've got cinnamon in my pocket and some butter sitting in the gutter, eating a block of cheese.
Yeah.
Best song of the day.
Best song.
Yeah. Merry Christmas, everybody.
I just videotaped that. I'm going to put that on the Facebook page. So funny.
Lots of love, everyone. Hope you enjoyed it.